Today's video is regarding HP Officejet 8013 printer. I'm going to show you how to install or replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer and open the front door, and the ink cartridge chamber door is here. Simply lift it and let it hold itself. Go to the ink cartridge chamber. Here we have to remove the ink cartridges. So simply press the lock and take the ink cartridge out. So it's very easy. To install the new ink cartridge, simply match the color and the alphabets written here. Place the ink cartridge in its position, press it down. So this way we can easily install and also replace the ink cartridges in this printer. And to close the door, simply press it down. It will close itself. And close the front door. You can go to the display panel to see if there is any error or if it is installed properly or not. It will display the information here. Once you see the main screen, that means your printer is ready for the printing. Thanks for watching.